Hey everybody, today I'm gonna set up a winch for my trailer. Anyhow, come on along. So this is the Badland 2500 winch. It's the ZXR, just a little bit better one. There was two that are 2,500 pound winching capacity. I got this one here, just a little better quality. I don't remember what all the difference was, but it was a little better, just a little more money. And it was 20% off sale, so I saved a little money. That's more money for the project. And the cost, my savings covered the extra warranty on it. I went ahead and got a extra two-year warranty to go with it. And then, so it cost me, I think it was just over $100 with tax. For the winch, the $18 warranty, the mounting plate, and that was pretty much what I got. So I'm gonna mount this plate on a trailer hitch, receiver hitch. Just mount it on there, I'll weld it to that, and then mount the winch to this. And then I'll have a receiver that I can pull in and out of my trailer. And then, or my pickup. I can hook it on the back of my pickup if I wanted to. So, I didn't tell you. But it's got wireless remote too. That's pretty cool. So anyhow, we'll throw this together and show you what I'm talking about. We'll just weld this on here. That'll give me a mounting surface for that little box. Maybe I'll slide it over here. Yeah. I'm putting the wires on the top just so if I'm dragging this around on the floor of the bed of the pickup, the wires aren't dragging on the bottom, rolling around. They're up on top where they're kind of protected. Hey. I coil them up, try to keep them in there. And then these two leads here hook up to the battery. I know that because it says battery. So I'll probably just put some zip ties along that, string it up, make a lead, and then figure out different leads on here for connecting to the battery. Or maybe I might have a quick disconnect here. Got this nice quick disconnect that I could hook on these leads and have this set up for the battery. Wish those were longer. Other than that, it's a ready to go unit. Got some yucky rain. Just when it was starting to look like summer. It's over. Okay, I got this all ready. Just need to wait for it to stop raining and I'll run out. Put it in there and just kind of test fit it at this point. So I tried to make this where it'll fit on here nicely without being all awkward and bulky and sticking up too high. I think it's just fine. My only concern is that it's sticking out so far that way. But once I get the vehicle up on here, I guess I could always pull it forward. Not much I could do really to get it back further other than to have the receiver back further. Anyhow, my thought was battery box right here. This could just swing around and hook up to it. It's almost long enough to reach the back of the pickup if I had a battery just in the back. Of course, I got the winch cable, or the winch controller. Like that. Yeah, that'll be nice. That'll work good on there. Yeah. I'll bring you in and give you a better look at it. Okay. There you can see it. Like I was saying, it sticks out every bit of a foot, maybe just a hair longer, which I'm sure is fine. When I go to tie the vehicle down, it might be right at the end of that cable, that at the end of that pole. Other than that, I think it'll work just fine. Controller wire out of the way. Well, anyhow, I'm excited to give this a shot. Get some junk to pull up here and just really try it out. I've been needing one of these. I'm excited to have it. It's better than come-alongs. I put a lot of miles on a come-along in my lifetime. This is going to be a little easier. And if it's something a little heavier, I plan on getting a little snatch block, and then I can double that power, and 5,000 pounds would be great. Anyhow, have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you next time.